This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Paystack. First, head over to the official Paystack website and click on the Create Free Account button. You'll then fill in basic details like your business name, your full name, email address, and phone number. Remember to select your business type, whether it's a starter or registered business. Finally, check your email for a verification link to confirm your account, a quick step that takes just a few minutes. Once your account is created, log into your Paystack dashboard and find the Compliance section. Here, you will complete your business profile, providing details such as your trading name, industry, and the number of staff. You'll also need to submit owner identification, like a government-issued ID and a recent proof of address. Lastly, input your bank account information for receiving payouts, ensuring the account name precisely matches your business registration for smooth processing. Documents are typically reviewed within 24 to 48 hours. Now, let's talk about integrating Paystack into your business. From your Paystack dashboard, navigate to the settings to retrieve your unique public and secret API keys. These are crucial for connecting your platform. If you use e-commerce platforms like WordPress or Shopify, Paystack offers convenient plugins for straightforward integration. For those with custom websites, you can leverage Paystack's software development kits or consult their comprehensive API documentation to build a tailored payment experience. The Paystack pop-up or charge API ensures secure transactions. Before accepting actual payments, your Paystack account begins in test mode. This safe environment allows you to experiment with features and integrations without using real money. You can perform test transactions using dummy card details found in Paystack's developer documentation. After your compliance documents are fully approved, you can easily switch your dashboard to live mode. Once live, your business is ready to process real payments from customers, ensuring a seamless and secure transaction experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.